my life. Swear I was born right in the doorway. Not in the rain, telling everything changed. They're spreading blankets on the beach. You're the first face that I saw. Think I was blind before I met you. Now I am, don't know where I've been, but I know where I want to go. So I thought I'd let you know. These things take forever, I especially am slow. But I realized that I need you. Was wondering if I could come home. Come home. Remember the time you drove all night just to meet me in the morning? Thought it was strange, you said everything's changed. Felt as if you just woke up. And you said, this is the first day of our life. I didn't die before I met you. But now I don't care, I can go anywhere with you. And I'd probably be happy. So if you want to be with me, these things there's no telling, we'll just have to wait and see. Rather be working a paycheck than waiting to win the lottery. Besides maybe this time it's different. I mean, I really think you like me. Oh. Bye, Dylan. I miss you. Love you.